Jai Srimannarayana. 65th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Prasade sarvadukhanam hanirasya उपजायते प्रसन्ना चेतसो ह्यासु बुद्धिः पर्यवतिष्ठते। ओम। When mind is calm and peaceful, freedom from all sorrow surely arises. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma reveals the best option for every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall focus my mind on your divine feet and attain calm and peaceful state of my mind. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana." Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshit Narendra, Ikshvaku's one son Vikukshi, one of those days, he made a mistake when Ikshvaku was offering ancestral prayers. Because of that, Ikshvaku sent Vikukshi out of his kingdom. After that, Ikshvaku did tapasya and left his body, attained Paramapadam. After Ikshvaku's death, Vikukshi again came back to kingdom and started ruling the kingdom. Ije harim yajnaihi sasada iti vishrutaha. He also performed so many yajnas in order to please Srimannarayana. Vikukshi also called as Sasada. That Sasada's son is Puranjaya. One of those days in the past, there was a fight between Devatas and Danavas. At that time, Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu ordered Puranjaya to go ahead and help Devatas. Then Puranjaya went there. Then Devendra became Vrishabham, one Vahanam, so that Puranjaya can sit on that Vahanam and do that fight. So on that Vrishabham, Puranjaya sat, took his powerful bow and went to west side and killed all the Rakshasas, conquered all the Rakshasas. There was huge fight. Rakshasas could not face Puranjaya. Some of the Rakshasas even ran away from the battlefield and went to Patala Lokam. So like that, Puranjaya defeated all the Rakshasas, again took all their towns, wealth, everything, and then gave everything to Devendra. So because Puranjaya had Devendra as his Vahanam, Puranjaya's name, another name is Indravahana. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 65th sloka. Prasade sarva dukkhanam hanirasyopajayate prasanna chetaso hyasu buddhi paryavatishthate. Prasade sarva dukkhanam hanirasyopajayate prasanna chetaso hyasu buddhi paryavatishthate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.